So we're at the last part of the most awesome experience trip I've ever experienced. Getting back to the village, we got the horses. We've been walking for, I guess, 3 hours or so. We got the horses up in the front. I chose to walk or run or a combination, whatever you want to call that. It's absolutely simply amazing. Spectacular environment you'll ever see. This is rainforest at your best or wildest imagination. And it's hot, probably around 35 Celsius. I guess about 95 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. But it's just so worth it. So worth it. 6-hour effort to catch up with the horses. We got Jorgen taking point. This is muddy. Wow. This is nasty. I think we're getting here. Here an hour or so. I got mud up to my knees. From the downpour last night. Excuse me, yesterday. And the night before yesterday. The trail is completely messed up. If you're into wrestling, this is it.